This is the place where Sioux College is situated, where you can see here. We are around 7 hours drive from Toronto and 1.5 hour flight. And the another campus is there near in the Toronto side, the Brampton and the Toronto downtown one campus. That's a satellite campus. Okay, so what the people should know about a Sioux College? See, Sioux College, if you want to come down to main campus, Sioux St. Mary, the biggest advantage is that the campus is in diverse places. See, we are very near to the US border side. So, and we have students from around 68 countries. So that's why we always say the real Canadian experience you're going to get when you're coming to the main campus. So this is the biggest advantage. I'm not saying that you should not go to Toronto or you should not go to Brampton. If you have families there, if you're finding a job, if you have already set up any location there, and you see, always the location is a preference for everyone. So if your first preference is always a Brampton or Toronto, please go ahead with that, because end of the day you will not be able to survive up in the main campus. But main campus has different priorities. Main campus where you can give personal experience in that part, the campus life there recently by the Rural Northern Immigration Pilot Project, which is the city selected by the Canadian government, where the advantage is that if you do your program, there are brighter chances of getting a PR in the future. So that is the major advantage if you're doing your program in a main campus. Innovative programs tied up with the job opportunities. When I started the presentation, I told you that about SR Steel Plant. Like there are many steel plant offices only in Sault Ste. Marie area. So we have around 8 to 9 steel plant factories nearby Sault Ste. Marie. The biggest one is an SR. Then there is a China company that is known as Zena. Then there is a Tenris. This is again an Argentinian company. This is also the third and fourth largest steel plant. Then biggest power generation company of an Ontario province, Brookfield Powers, that is also there in Sault Ste. Marie. So there are many big companies who have their offices, factories there in Sault Ste. Marie area. So it is always an advisable for the student to come down to Sault. They can get a hands-on experience, internships. And when you're doing an internship, always remember the place where you are doing an internship might be this is your first employer, because they have already given you training at the time of internship. So it is always advisable to students to be stick with that the same companies where you are doing their your internship. Might be they are your first time employers. So this is the campus location, which is shown in the Sault Ste. Marie, the main campus, and the Toronto and downtown. You can see from here. This is the big, downtown area picture of Toronto, and another campus is there. This is the aerial view of a Sault Ste. Marie. So it's in a full-fledged city with a population of around 1 lakh, having airport facilities, malls, each and everything is available. Don't go by the thing that it is quite a small city. See, in Canada verdict, if it's a population around 1 lakh, it's quite a big city. You can see from the here itself that they having lots of shopping malls, and in aerial view itself give you a bird eye view, a quite good picture that it's not a small city. So we have recently started a waterfront center for the students for the main campus for the natural environment programs. They can take the free accessibility of the waterfront campus. The students can go down. It's a recreation center nearby the city, just around half an kilometers from there. Same thing is there. The Search One Ski Resort. This is one of the biggest ski resort in Canada, which is there in Sault Ste. Marie. The students and the students having the free accessibility, and they can go down there. They just have to show their college pass and they can avail the services of here. We had now I just want to brief you about the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Project. So this is a federal project which is started by the Canadian government, where the 10 cities or 10 communities are selected by them where they want to increase the population size, because these are the areas where they are finding maximum number of jobs, but the people are not staying in that part. So to give them a golden opportunity, if they have completed their program in their college or university in that area, they can join the program and can come up in the rural immigration pilot project, where they have an advantage of getting more bonus points, And I can say, and I've seen some of the students who have got an offer letter from invitation from a pilot project to, so within a year they are getting the PR cards. So job offers is there by the NOCs. We have get in touch with the communities and all. So the SU college is tied up with the community centers and all. So they will help you out in finding all the job. Might be you are a mechanical engineer student and you want to have a job in SR steel plant, or you want to have a job in Tenris factory. So we'll get in touch with the community centers. The community centers people will get in touch with the you can say the factories owners and all, and according to your skill set, if at all any demand is there, they will help you in finding another job and providing you the invitation letter from the immigration pilot project. So this is a good advantage. Take this advantage right now. What are the free supports which we are giving to the students? So we have a free airport pickup for the students. There will be arrival leaders when the students arrive. So they will get in touch with them. They will find about where they have to go, what all things they have to buy, where they were, because the moment the student arrives, their first question is where I can buy the groceries, so which areas I am living up, how far is from the college. So there is arrival leaders are there, student ambassadors are there at the airport. They will be assigned to them and they can get in touch with them. There are WhatsApp group for accommodate finding on the accommodation and room sharing. The fitness and health center access is there. We have access to all the fitness centers, and we have basketball grounds, a gymnasium, an Olympic size swimming pool, all the outdoor activities in there which I've shown you, like the ski resort, which the students are good in skis, they can go down and utilize that. On-campus job and student residence in Zoo. Yes, so we have an on-campus jobs for the student, but you have to apply, and there will be a standard procedure for that, for getting up that jobs. Yes, a student residence is there in Sault Ste. Marie. So if somebody wants to stay in a student campus residence, they can stay up and they have to pay the fee for that at the time of their admission. But that's a very less and very demanding. So make sure if you want to take, apply early for that. There is free tutoring, academic counseling for the students. Some students are not good in so much of their studies. They can go down and take the advantage of these things. It's all free of cost, nothing to worry. Part-time job fairs, as I told you, the SU College organizes a job fairs. So, and we have a part-time job fairs also in campus where we call the companies which are there in Sault Ste. Mary's to get in touch with us, and if they have any jobs, select the students from the campus itself. Okay, student satisfaction, as I told you that what are services there. So IELTS requirement is quite less. It's 6.2 overall, no section less than 5.5. And we can complete a question with other students, enters a scholarship, free LOA, fast LOAs, in-country managers are there to support for the people. Weekly updates we are giving. And there is a free accessible English proficiency requirement. So if somebody wants to brush up their English and someone to improve their English, they can go down and utilize them. Thanks. Thank you. And these are the links where you can go down, and if you have any questions related to the SU College, send us a mail on this.